So guys, I found a site that can help you earn money if you know how to teach stuff online, and this is especially for teachers who want to be making extra cash for themselves outside the normal classroom situation. All right, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you different ways to do stuff online and how you can make money for yourself. So quickly, without wasting time, this is just going to be a quick review of what the site looks like. All right, so before we get in, kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, so pay attention to everything I'm going to show you on this site. So the name of the site is called Safeticha. All right, Safeticha.com. You can see the spelling up there. So when you land on this site, this is what you are going to see. So I'm going to just take you through the site. Let's just see what the site looks like. So on this site, it says be part of Africa's largest professional community for educators and schools. On this site, you can actually hire an educator and even get a job if you are an educator. All right, so look at the endorsement. The site is endorsed by world-class partners, as you can see. So if you go down, you will see that the site is a very lovely site that can help you to make money for yourself. So it says you can earn money with our resource marketplace. You can get access to millions of resources on Safeticha that gets you great opportunity within and outside your organization, meaning that you don't have to depend on teaching in classrooms only. You can even make money on this site at your extra time. All right, our resource marketplace helps you make profits and also equips you with what you need to grow. So you can click that learn more button to learn more about that. So you can get recruited easily, you can get it safer, and then there is also a place for professional development for teachers, for schools all over Africa. Okay, so you can see all this is what the site is all about. So once you click start your journey, it will take you into the process of signing up for this site. You can see the testimonials on the site, different people saying different things about how they enjoy the site, about how the benefit they are getting from the site. As you can see here, you can see frequently asked questions. Okay, so what do you need to do to join this site, to sign up on this site? All you need to do is to click on start your growth journey. Okay, or you just come here. You come here now. If you want to hire an educator, you click on hire an educator. Or if you are an educator and you want to get a job on this site, what you need to do is to click on the get a job option. All right, so just take your time to go through the site and see what is available for you. All right, I won't go deep into the site, but if you want me to make more videos about how to succeed on this site, then just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe. And if you want to learn more about how you can earn money online by selling your knowledge online, I have a new guide that is coming out that will teach you how you can sell your knowledge online. So just go to the link in the description. I'll drop all the links to important resources for you. All right, that is all for this video. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Enjoy.